back to the video, to the channel, to the vlog. It's been a while since I even done a video. I'm gonna say it's been almost months since I've done the video on anything. And I'm just gonna say I got discouraged about what was going on and things like that. I let things interfere in what I was doing with my channel. So, you know, I do a lot of stuff off camera and things like that to the car. But I'm gonna go ahead and say I'm not gonna do any more videos that you guys are missing out on, should I say. I'm gonna do more videos that way you guys don't miss out. I was gonna do reviews on certain things that I had done, didn't get those done. But enough for the chitter chatter about that. Today's video is gonna be something that I'm trying to do. I'm not gonna promise it's gonna get done in time. Don't know how it's gonna work, and we're gonna see if it's gonna work to the best of my abilities. But as you can see now, the hood is up. I got tools out, and then I got lowering springs there, and then the lowering spring compressor kit. Should I say the compressor kit for the springs? What I'm trying to do is get my car a little bit lower than what it is, meaning I want it just a little bit lower than this. The only reason why it's this low is because I have waters in the back and I like that, but I might go a little bit lower. But I have other things I want to get done on top of that, you know, change a lot of stuff. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this stuff done, get this stuff set up, and then we'll go from there.
I'm trying to figure out which way I want to do this. Most people tend to take off this screw right here. Most people say to take off this screw up here. This one, it just allows it to go this way. This one right here just allows it to come out and you have to put it back. This one would be when you're taking out the axles, this one right here. But I'm trying to see which one's going to be feasible for me. You go for that, because all I need is this. Oh, let me show you. All I need is this part back here, this part right there, to come off, and that literally drops down after you release the pressure on this. But I don't know which way I want to do it right now, so that's what I'm looking at. So let me pause, and then I'll come back here shortly, and after I figure out what I'm gonna do. Now that I found an easier way, I was looking at something on YouTube. You remove this bolt. I already loosened the bolts up top, so we'll see how it goes and see if it's going to be that easy as they say on the channel. So we're going to go ahead and get all these unloosened now. That way we can see what's going on. They told us to unloosen this. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you can see my fingers or what. Not. So we're loosening this. This is the brake line. The main brake line. So you unloosen this. I just put the screws back in so that way I don't lose them. one on this side right here. I don't know if you can see that, but because the way I did it earlier made it 10 times harder on myself. I was doing too much extra stuff that didn't need to be done. So we'll see if this works faster and then go from there. And then gotta reach in there with my, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reach in with my tools and go ahead and get that one side done right here at the bottom. I don't know if you can see the bottom. I'll show you here in a second. And then after I get that loosened, then I'm gonna go ahead and unloosen this piece and see if I can get it to where it just comes straight towards me. And then hopefully we can get the pieces out and then we can go from there. So let's go ahead and get these pieces back here. Go ahead and try to get those. I don't think okay, that's not gonna let it go. I don't know if you can see that. You can see that, but there's my tool. And there's a screw that I'm on. I'm trying to get off to see if we can get the ball rolling on this piece. I think what takes the longest is compressing the springs. I need to find a faster way to compress the springs. That's what takes the longest. Well, there goes something.
front looks like. I will have to give it a bath tomorrow. But I think that's even. I went ahead and took the mud guards off. I will be doing it in the back as well, taking the mud guards off the back. On both sides. Hopefully this doesn't fall off. That doesn't fall off. Hopefully it doesn't fall off. But I like it so far. Hopefully you can see that. Right now I'm moving around until I had it come. And then, like I said, hopefully this doesn't fall off. It really shakes a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't come off. I'll be taking the back off of the bed right now. And then I'll be replacing that. Getting that done. Got a lot of stuff to do. But I like that. How low I want it. Hopefully it doesn't rub or bounce or anything like that. But think about it. The back looks like I put the back on. The back looks like I put it on and I haven't. They're up there. I didn't put them on. It's the factory. But it's because I got water in there like I said earlier. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to resume this tomorrow. When I get off, I'm gonna have my mom take me to work. I'm gonna resume. I don't want to drive the car with the springs not complete. So I'm gonna resume tomorrow on this video. So it's gonna be a 2-part video, and we'll see you guys